Aloha, romantic friends and new viewers. Thank you for tuning in today's video. And today I am going to do a video on how to repair old high heel shoes using E6000 glue. So I have this shoe here that I wore some time ago, and the bottom of the sole began to peel off. And so if you watch my previous video, you can see that I did a shopping haul at Hobby Lobby and found some E6000 glue there. And so we're going to see if the E6000 glue is going to live up to its reputation. So I am tearing away the bottom of my shoe because I want to make sure that when I put this E6000 on this shoe, that this sole is going to definitely stay. It's not going to come off. So I am just peeling back, because what I need to be able to do is make sure that this strap here, these three straps, because that's kind of where I put most of my pressure at, on these three straps here. So when I put the E6000 glue on, I want to make sure that those three straps are nicely secured. And it looks like it has some old cotton there. That's not supposed to help with the pressure when you step. So I want to be able to make sure that my E6000 glue goes from here, to this corner here, these corners, these corners here, to come all the way around. I love these shoes. I only wore them a few times. They've had them for a while, but I want to make sure that I get some more wear out of them, because they cost me quite a penny at the time when I bought them. So it don't really say how much glue to put on, but as soon as I open the E6000, it just starts to come out. So let's see. So it kind of reminds me of a hot glue, but it's just not hot like a glue gun. So we're just gonna go around the edges. I'm putting quite a bit here. Because I really need it to stay. Yeah, I really need them to stay. So, whoops. Maybe I'm squeezing too much out of there. This is actually kind of messy too. So, a piece of paper. Oops, because it's coming out. See, it's coming out from the top. So, looks like most of the glue is going to come out the bottle before you even get it in the shoe. And we're just going to place that in place. Let's hope I have enough on there for it to stick. And then we're going to press the sides. We really need more weight on the shoe. Look at that. So there has to be a better way to stop the glue from leaking out of the tube just randomly, because it's just wasting glue. So we're gonna leave that be, and hopefully we're gonna let it sit for 24 hours, and I can't wear my shoe for 72, and hopefully it has bonded. I was really concerned about the edges of the straps there, so hopefully that will stay in place. And then we're going to take my other shoe here. Yes guys, I wear a 6.5. I have a very small feet, but I actually like to buy my shoes in a 7. So we're going to peel back the second shoe. Looks like I don't need a screwdriver for this one. But if that can hold my shoe straps in place, my soles and straps in place, that would be perfect. And there you have it, guys. So we're gonna wait 72 hours, make sure that the sole is sticking to the bottom of the shoe, and then we are going to test them out later to make sure that the straps stay secure. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a fabulous day. And don't forget, please be sure to take time out to pamper yourself. Bye now.